Hello, my darlings. It's Michaela. So I wanted to make a quick video about using protein as a tool versus thinking about it as fuel. And the deal is, protein is not a good source of fuel. Often when people want to lose weight, they tend to reduce carbohydrates and they start to lean more heavily on protein and produce. And the thing that's problematic about that is that neither of those elements are actually really good sources of fuel. So if you wish to run on fat more, I'm going to attach a video about intermittent fasting, which you kind of need to be in a fat burning mode to do. But in that video, there are a few tips about how to kind of usher your physiology towards the fat burning end of the spectrum, which might be useful. Good food for thought at the very least. All right, so that's in the description under this video. So protein is essential, though. It's not a great source of fuel, but we need it, and it's actually really useful in the weight loss effort. So not only is protein responsible for all tissue creation in our body, muscle mass creation, muscle mass maintenance, but it's also really essential for creating hormones. Additionally, with the effort of weight loss, protein is a really great thing to turn to for an increased thermogenic effect on your food. And what that means is protein requires more energy to be broken down in the body. It takes energy to actually digest food, but protein is almost like double the amount that it takes, the amount of energy that it takes compared to carbohydrates and fat. Good to know. Protein is also something that stimulates the body to release a certain hormone called glucagon, which is considered a fat-releasing hormone. The opposite of that would be insulin, which is a fat-storing hormone. Good to know. Protein is also something that helps to stabilize blood sugar. There are other things that do this, but it's one of them. And so that means that it kind of slows the release of sugar, glucose, into our bloodstream, therefore reducing the amount of insulin that is produced to transport that sugar. And then additionally, just a couple other things, in your meals, protein is such a great add to have in a substantial amount because it helps us to get full and it helps us to stay full. And the truth is, the two big things that affect weight loss are hormones and calories. And so it can just be a very strategic, intelligent choice to make when you are creating your meal to help you to feel full and to stay full, to feel satisfied while you're actually consuming a smaller amount / reasonable amount of calories. All right, so that's it. I hope that was useful. Please check out the link tree in the bio should you have a desire to get your body into a fat burning mode, which makes weight loss easier and weight gain harder, and basically will enable you to rely on carbohydrates less. Therefore, burning more fat, using fat as your main fuel source, using protein for the advantages that it holds, but not aiming to rely on it for fuel because you kind of can't, because it's just not a good source of it. All right. So anyway, check things out in the description below this video. I hope this was great. I hope this was useful. Please be in touch for any reason. Thank you for your attention. Love to all. And until next time.